Hi guys! Glad to see you again on TrafficHunt YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some interesting topic for all users who have already started using our platform. And we were talking about the available macros. Well, let's get straight to the point. And we will start with TXN ID. This macro contains a unique transaction ID for every impression coming into the system. This macro value is also used for tracking of conversion, where users can apply this macro in the click-through URL. Ad space is an important macro because it is used to determine the site's ad space, where your ad appears on. So don't forget to specify it while setting up your ad campaigns. Macro country is used to specify the country from where traffic is originating, based on the IP address. Next on the list we have user OS macro, which helps to choose the operating system of a mobile device, and also macro carrier, which displays a mobile carrier that provides connectivity. The following macros will determine the design of our advertising campaign. First one will be macro banner. This one shows the name of creative. And the second one is a banner size macro, which helps to choose the size of an ad unit. Last but not least, the comp ID, length and browser macros. Based on the name, it is easy to figure out that these macros are used for campaign ID, language of the user's browser, and user's browser. The final macro, cost, is used to determine your CPM. All these macros can be found on last tab of campaign's creation menu. Hope this video was useful for you and will help you in new successful launches. Follow our channel and stay tuned to not miss new Traffic Hunt videos. High profits to you and good luck, yours TrafficHunt team.